Good morning, everyone. I'm Yash this side from SEO Unleashed with Yash, and in this video, I'll be going over on exactly how to create a city page using AI. So you don't have to write anything, neither you have to hire any writer and pay him to write for you. Okay, so we'll be using a tool in this video that is koala.sh. It will give you 5,000 words for absolutely free, and that will be more than enough to create a city page for your website. In case you're serving more than two locations, then you may need to purchase the tool. But if your business has just one location, it's more than enough. And another tool that we will be using is a Chrome extension named Word at Scale Outline Extractor. I will also leave a link to this one in the description so you can just go and download it. And the next tool that I said is koala.sh. So yeah, why should you hear me? And let me show you a result that I got just by using the exact technique that I told in this video. So the keyword that I targeted is drywall repair, Lubbock, Texas. Okay, so if you see, here's my website is ranking, and you know what, the website is hardly it ages nearly 10 days, and yeah, that's enough. It is live from just 10 days, and it's already ranking on 5th position in the first page. And you know what, the whole of content that this website contains is written by koala.sh, and that too free, for absolutely free. I haven't paid anything, I haven't purchased any tool for using that, and I haven't really done any on page optimization using any tool that costs 99 USD, 100 USD or such. I just used an AI, and I did on page optimization on my own that I have already discussed in my previous video. You could just go and you could just watch that video as well. And in case you would like to hire me to do on page for you, or any local SEO service you would like to hire me to do that, feel free to message me, and I will also leave a link to my service in the description, so you could just go over that link and see what services I'm offering. Okay, so let's directly jump into the video. So the tool that we are going to use is koala.sh. I have already said it, and I will also leave a link to it in the description. So just go into this tool, and here you will find an option to log in and register. Just go to register and just sign up, and you will get 5,000 words for absolutely free. So let me quickly show you exactly what you should do. Go over Google and search the exact keyword that you're trying to target. Okay, let's just take dentist, Lubbock, Texas. Okay, so we need to actually copy the outline of the first three websites, so we can exactly give the AI that outline, and we can create content as per that. So just go into that particular website, and then click on this extension that we installed just right now, and just click on that extension, and it will copy the outline here. And just go on Excel sheet or Google sheet, and just copy it in a column, sorry, and just copy here. Okay, so here we got the whole of outline for from that particular website. Then just go back, and then just copy, and then just copy outline from another website. Okay, it's very easy, you don't have to do any much tedious task for it. Just go on that particular website and click on this extension, and it will automatically copy the outline. Okay, so we copied this one as well, and then just go on one more site which is ranking. Don't go on directories website, rather go on the small businesses website that is local to your particular city. Got it? Okay, so we'll just, okay, just give me a second. Yeah, so we have copied another one. Sorry, what it's doing. Yeah, so we have copied another one, and then go here. Okay, just give me a second. Let me just do one thing. Yeah, then I'll have to paste it, right? So we have got the outline from three websites, and now we just have to analyze and create an outline that perfectly suits our website as well. Okay, so if you see, the H1 that they are using is here: Green's Family Dentistry, Grimes Dentistry, and and this one as well. Okay, so this is the H1 that that particular website is using, and then this is the H1 of another website, and we haven't got the H1 of this one, as it seems that that particular website is not using any. Okay, so this is a huge opportunity for us. They haven't optimized their h1, so we have an opportunity there, and we'll make sure that our h1 is perfectly optimized, so that we get the most, we are getting the most ranking juice there. So now the next thing is we are gonna do is dental services offer. This one is pretty good. Okay, comfortable dentistry, cosmetic dentistry. So we can just give koala and topic, or heading that what are the dentistry services that we are offering. Okay, and it will automatically produce these types of dentistry or the services that we are providing. Okay, so yeah, these are actually h3, so we will just go and remove these h3. Okay, so here we go, we have removed the h3. Let me do another one. Okay, so let me just remove the h3 that we are getting, so that we exactly see what are the h2 that that particular website which is ranking is using. Okay, so it's using dental services offered, welcome to Green's Family Dentistry, about us, and then welcome to another, he is again using the keyword dentistry of Lubbock, Texas. Why choose us, our team, our philosophy, our atmosphere, dental services, and then another time he's using the services. So let's just go over Koala and click on Koala Writer, and then select blog post. Okay, so you won't get GPT-4 because it's only available for premium users. If you want to try it, you could just go over pricing, and you could just subscribe to the higher plan. It's cheap, and it will cost you anywhere between $10 to $12, I guess. But for this video I'm using the free version. So we need to put here dentist in Lubbock, Texas. Okay, and then we need to go here, and when we write in a city page, we usually use first person plural, that is we, us, our, or ours. Okay, so we are not going to use third person, and we will be enabling this, and then click on create an outline. Okay, so what it will do is it will create an outline that we will be using now for generating our article or our content for our city page. Got it? See, it has created introduction, why choose a dentist in Lubbock. Instead we will be editing here, then services offered, then what to expect, then how to find, then conclusion. Okay, so let me go here and then click on show advanced options, and then click on outline prompt, and let me give it an outline prompt. Okay, so act as a dentist in Lubbock, Texas, working for ABC Dental, and write the content for our website's city page. Okay, so now let's see what it produces. It will take some time, and let's just wait for it to produce an outline. Okay, so here we have got an introduction, working as a dentist in Lubbock, Texas. This is not a good one, so we'll probably remove that. And then ABC Dental, your go-to dental clinic in Lubbock, Texas. We could just edit as your go-to dentistry in Lubbock, Texas as well. And then here our services is listed. Then why choose ABC Dental? Contact us. And then you'll ask me, yes, why if it's already providing us the the outline, why did we wrote it in an Excel sheet, right? So the reason for doing so is we might the AI might miss some of the important some of the important h2 that could be helpful for us to optimize our page as well. So we will just quickly analyze if it's actually missing any point. Okay, so here we go, our theme. This is one is pretty important to to show eat feature of Google. If you don't know, it's in a nutshell, it's about showing your authority and relevancy as well. And then make an appointment today. This will give an this will also improve our relevancy, because appointment is a term that's very often used in dentistry or dental industry. And then we need to show as much as relevance from our content as we can, because that is eventually going to help us to rank in Google very quickly. Got it? Then let's quickly share see here as well, contact us. So we make an appointment today seems perfect. So from contact us, we will just click and edit make an appointment today. Okay. and we'll then click on save option. And yeah, then we will click on write article, and it will quickly write an article that you can directly, with a very few editing, you could directly just post it on your website. Let me, I will directly show you when it's completed. Okay, just a thing that you might see some error like this when you are working in a free account, and this error is about 500 words per the article. So what you have to do is you have to see till when the AI has completed our content, and till our services it has completed. It won't leave an article in the middle. Rather, it will fully complete a particular H2, and then it will stop. So what we have to do is we will copy that, and then we'll click on go back. So this one is completed, this one is completed, this one is completed. Then click again on write article, and then then it will write again. You see? So if you didn't copy it, you could just go over here and you could just copy it again. Okay. So yeah, this was all about how to create a service or city page using AI. And in this video we used koala.sh. You might ask me, Yash, why didn't you use ChatGPT for it? Because I compared the quality of Koala and ChatGPT. This one is pretty better, and I will definitely suggest you to to give it a try, because after all it's absolutely free, right? So yeah, this was all about this video. I hope you like the video. If you have any query, just comment below, and I will be happy to answer you. And also, in case you want me to hire to do SEO for your website, feel free to message me, and you could contact me using the link given in the description. Bye bye.